Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink your EA account from FC Mobile. All right, so to unlink an EA account from FC Mobile, you'll need to disconnect it directly from the EA website rather than the mobile app. But notes first, okay? Unlinking an account will permanently erase the game's progress into FC points associated with the specific EA account. Once unlinked, you cannot transfer your progress to another EA account. All right, so as you can see here under the game settings, when we go ahead over to link accounts, there's no such thing as unlink right here. But when we go ahead over to the account management section of EA, okay, just go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com. All right, log in with your EA account, and then once that's done, go ahead over to the left panel, click on connected accounts. Could be on your mobile device. You could go ahead and do this on your PC as well. So as you can see here, we have Google. So most probably, if you are playing the game, okay, on your Android device, Google will be linked, or Google Play Games. All right. So if you're playing with your iOS, well, the account that is tied to it will be Apple. So what you'll do basically is just unlink it. Unlink either your Google or Apple account. So don't worry, if you want to log in again to your EA account, you can just go ahead and log into other linked accounts right here. Make sure that you link your account, okay? Just one. You could link it to your Discord, Facebook, or whatever. Just don't leave the linked section blank, okay? Go ahead and click on unlink right here. Follow the simple prompts, and once that's done, your accounts will be unlinked. Now, if you don't want to do it by yourself, you can go ahead and contact EA support, okay, so that they'll do it for you. It is much safer. But that's just basically, that is how you unlink an EA account from FC Mobile. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.